What's up, you guys? Thank you for coming back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Angelus unboxing. As you can see, I taped off all my information so I don't have a big old box in the video. But yeah, it was pretty fast. They shipped Tuesday, got here Thursday. As you can see, it's priority mail today. So anyways, yeah, let's unbox this. Okay, so first thing you see in the box is this paper. Okay, that's the side. Okay, so first, we did get a lot of stuff. Okay, so I guess we'll start with the paints. Okay, so I got a South Beach paint, 1 ounce. I'm gonna be doing a custom with this, and fire red paint, infrared paint. This is a collector's edition. The collector's edition are meant to match the specific, like the shoe and year. So I got the 2014 infrared. I got too thin. This is in case like you want to shoot it through a paintbrush. Too thin helps it out. It thins the paint, keeps your airbrush clean. And black necessity. You pretty much need this for everything. And oh yeah, blue. Just got normal blue. Okay, so guess we'll get into this. Okay, so for my finishers, I got acrylic matte finisher and high gloss acrylic finisher. These are pretty much a need when you're doing customs or rasterizations, because you don't want your finish looking tacky. If you just put the paint on, it's gonna look tacky and it's gonna crack very fast. So you do need to get these. It all depends on what finish you want. I got matte and high gloss. Matte I think looks the closest to factory. High gloss I would use for like patent leather. So yeah. Another thing I got was Too Soft. Too Soft is honestly, I think it's an amazing product, because if you're painting like canvas or fabric, you just put this 1:1 ratio with whatever paint you're gonna be using, and you use a heat gun. The heat gun does have to be up to 300 degrees, and once you put the heat to it, it turns basically like to fabric. So it's not gonna be all hard like how you'd picture it if you painted on fabric. And then Angelus leather prepare and deglazer. This I think this works really good. It's not, I don't think it's the scent is as strong as acetone, but it does work as good as acetone. So you should get this. Alright, so next thing is the Talon Blues painter tape. This tape is good because it has some sealing technology, so when you don't have to worry about the overpaint or anything. And as you guys can see, this is how 60 yards, which is a lot of tape. This was about $6. So yeah. Mixing jars, pretty much you don't really need these from Angelus, but it is a good deal. These are 95 cents, so it's 1 ounce. So if you wanted to do your too soft or your too thin, you could do your 1:1 ratios easily in here, because it's only 1 ounce, so you could do 1/2 ounce and 1/2 ounce. And alright, so got the Angelus Easy Cleaner. The Easy Cleaner, I really like it. I don't know if you guys can see through, but yeah. The reason why I really like this is because you don't have to worry about messing up your suede or anything, because as you guys can see, it cleans suede, leather, nubuck, rubber, linen, nylon, satin, canvas, plastic, and vinyl. So it pretty much just cleans everything, and it is a pretty good bang for your buck. It's, as you can see, it's 8 ounces. So yeah, that's really good. And something else is the Angelus brush, which is, it feels like a really good brush. As you guys can see, the Angelus logo right here. The paintbrushes. So these paintbrushes are really good just because the angles that they have on them and the stiffness. You can get into a lot of freehand work very easily. As you guys can see, there's a big one, so if you're painting like the whole uppers on a pair of shoes, you can use this. Like when you don't really have to be so careful. And then if you do really have to be careful, they have the thinner brushes. But yeah, so this was all the stuff that I paid for. And let's get into the gifts. I'm gonna put this aside because it has all my information on it. So we did get a tray, painter's tray. Yeah, so if you want to put your paints in here, you don't have to just keep mixing your, like put it in a mixing jar or taking it straight out of the jar. You can use this. So this was really good. Thank you, Angelus, for this. And another thing is I got the sticker. It's an Angelus Easy Cleaner. It's a little guy sitting on top of a brush. I will be putting this on my desk just because I love Angelus products. So I can always have them in my videos. I'm always gonna be using them anyways. For like, as far as their cleaner, their paints, the deglazer, just because I think their products are just so well made. So you guys can see, just so you guys can really see, I'm gonna put it like right here. So again, thank you, Angelus, for this. If you guys should go check out their products. Like I said, their products are really good. I don't have any discount codes or anything, but yeah, you guys should still go check it out because their products are good for a fair price. Like, they're not really expensive. It's a good price for what you're paying for, let me put it like that. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed the video, leave a like. I will be doing customs, restorations, like I said in my last video. So subscribe if you're new, turn on my post notifications so you won't miss my videos. And thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.